Hello and welcome to another episode of Foodie Friday. My name's Emily Leggett. I'm the teen librarian at the Tewksbury Public Library, and today we're making peanut butter fudge. For your ingredients, you'll need 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 8 ounces of butter, it can be salted or unsalted, and an 8x8 pan. Alright, let's grab everything we need. We have our butter, our peanut butter, and our bowl. The first step is to put our 2 sticks of butter and our peanut butter in a bowl. Once everything's together, you're going to microwave it for 1 minute. It'll look a little questionable. That's okay. You're going to mix it up as much as you can. I unfortunately noticed my bowl was too small at this point, so a little bit later you'll see me pour stuff into a bigger bowl. So I'm just trying not to make a mess. It doesn't have to be solid or anything or be completely mixed together. Once you've mixed it a bit, you're going to microwave it for another minute, and it's going to look something like this. This next step you do not need to do. I just realized my bowl was too small for mixing purposes, so I transferred it to another one. After it's been microwaved again, you just want to mix it together and make sure everything is smooth. The next step is to add your 2 cups of sugar and mix it all together. Once you add the sugar, you're going to see the consistency gets a bit thicker. That's okay. It's supposed to do that. Now you're going to move that bowl away, put it to the side for right now, and get your pan. I bought a little foiled 8x8 pan from the grocery store. You can use whatever size you want. It's just going to depend on the thickness. So to make it easier to remove, you can put wax paper down. Unfortunately, I did not have any, so I did foil just so I could easily take the fudge out when I was done. You do not have to do this step. It's just for ease of use at the end. If you do want to do this step, make sure you leave a little extra hanging over the edges so you can just grab by that and pick everything up. Alright, next up you're going to pour your mixture in. You want to make sure it is even so you have similar sizes, and you're going to need to spoon out some of the mixture at the end just to make sure you get everything in there. After this, once everything is poured in, you're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours minimum. I did 2 to 3 just to see if that would change anything, and it didn't. And voila, it is done. We chose, because we had meltable chocolates, to put meltable chocolate on 1/2 to make peanut butter and chocolate. But you can add whatever you would like on top of it. Super easy, delicious, and only 3 ingredients. We hope you've enjoyed making peanut butter fudge with us today. As always, we would love to see what you made and what creations you had, so feel free to share it with us on social media or send it to us via email. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget Foodie Friday is a monthly event that is posted on our YouTube page, and if you would like supplies provided, you can register on our website at tewksburypl.org. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye!